selfie is cute, ain't no Photoshop. And if you didn't know me, then you know what they do. I like the girl, them when them stick like glue. I like your pretty face and of course long hair. Money, 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 money.
Hi to you all. Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Loreen Kageha. Welcome to the Lolo Gang. This is the winning team. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Today I am doing a crochet ponytail on cornrows, going to the middle. In Kenya we call them mosodo. People make fun of my small head. Let me have.
This one be baga, this one be swagger. Baby girl, you the mother, swagger. Hey, come on, baby girl.
I started by laying my edges using Eco Styling Gel and a toothbrush. I like doing it that way, and I'm happy they did cooperate.
Priceless girl, you have no cost. No beef me like suya, so I just put it up a roast. Give me that fever. Let me be the one to just ease you. Let me be the one to just please you. You are my number one, mamacita.
I went ahead to use Amla hair oil in between the cornrows. I prefer doing this after I'm done with the cornrows and not before. This is for a moist scalp and to avoid itching and scratching. This Amla oil is a gift from a friend of mine and it's my first time using it. I'm just trying it to see how it goes with my head, if it's going to work for me or not. And sometimes I can scratch, especially at that point, and that's why I prefer oiling my hair before crocheting it. So I am using my Afrisasi braids again. I removed them perfectly well and I did not spoil any of them. They had lasted for only 2.5 weeks. I hope you remember how to crochet like I taught you in one of my previous videos, but if you don't worry, don't panic, just watch and learn. After installing like 25 pieces, I felt they were enough. I wanted a lightweight, so I tied them using a small headband.
Shut it down, wine you the best. Wine you the best. I just cut everything, you know how they rearrange it. So boy, one thing go on a rampage. Laka. Dance baby dance, yeah, sucker. Throne syndrome, no take with that blade. My number one lady, enough said. I rather be Shaq, Jordan, the Wayne Wade. Money not too long, every day I get paid. I want to do like I do. 3, 4, come to the dance floor. You know me, you me and I know. Fire, make a blaze up the place.
For the front part, I tried out something new. I did cut the Afrisasi braids into halves and install them on the 3 cornrows at the front. I was so scared. So tell me what you think when I'm done.
Wine you the best. Wine you the best. Shut it down. Wine you the best. Wine you the best. Bring it down. Wine you the best. Wine you the best. Shut it down. Wine you the best. Wine you the best. Bring it down. Wine you the best. Wine you the best. Shut it down. Wine you the best. Wine you the best. Your future is bright just like diamonds and rings. I want you to stay my castle today. You looking so fly like I bought you somewhere. This is how it begins.
Thank you so much for watching my video. Please forgive me, I recorded at night and this cricket was also at its best. I love you so much. Remember to subscribe, follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at Loreen Kageha. Give it a thumbs up and share if you like it. See you on my next video. Stay safe, stay at home and God bless you.